the expo and with
Barry from Albachem, and what we're doing here is we're going to demonstrate VLR, which is our vinyl letter remover.
which is that thing right there.
Right, so if you make a mistake, let's say you misspell a name or you put a letter on crooked, you got to take it off. You want to get your job out on time, take a little bit of the product. We're going to remove that V right there. You drip it on the back of the shirt. Let it sit there for a couple of seconds, and you manipulate a little bit. That'll help break the bond between the fabric and the vinyl. And then you can just, well, in this case it's disintegrating it, but
Wow,
a lot of
look at
times it'll just.
It took it right off.
Takes
Ain't
it
that
right
something?
off. Also works on DTF as well.
You hear that? Works on DTF too.
Thanks.
Thank you. Good info.
Step up your A game, step up your A game, or you'll be ashamed.